Hey friends, Elaine here from Grimsby. Are you new to TweetMeets? Well, that's no problem. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share some tips with you to help you get the most from the TweetMeets, whether you're completely a beginner or whether you just want to move on to the next level. But first, why should you join a TweetMeet? What will you get out of it? The TweetMeets are a great way to learn how other educators deal with the topic at hand, whether it's focusing on a particular application or theme. Many educators love sharing their experience and will happily answer your questions. And who knows, when you share what you do, maybe others will learn from you too. The TweetMeets are global, so you will get perspectives from all around the world. So here are my 7 tips to help you get started with the MSFTEDUChat TweetMeet. Number 1, follow the TweetMeet account on Twitter to stay up to date about the monthly TweetMeet topics. Number 2, get to know the questions in advance and prepare your answers. I write my answers into a OneNote notebook so that when the questions are posted, I can simply copy them and paste them into my tweets. It gives me more time to read and reply to others. Number 3, search for the hashtag MSFTEduChat. I use TweetDeck to help me stay on top of the chat, as I can set up multiple search columns to look for different things in there. Number 4, engage as much as you can and as much as you feel comfortable with. Whether you just want to read other people's comments, whether you just want to reply to answers that people have put, or whether you'll be actively engaging with the TweetMeet yourself and posting your own replies. It doesn't matter how engaged you get, as long as you have a go. Number 5, retweet with comment when answering the questions. Don't just reply. Start your own conversation thread with a retweet with comment. This way, users can see what you've put and in relation to what you are answering. Number 6, don't forget to tag your posts with the hashtag MSFTEduChat so others can find your post too. Number 7, and don't worry if you miss out on posts or the TweetMeet entirely. You can always catch up later or review the Wakelet collection or moment that is sent out after the chat. It's most important though, out of everything that I've mentioned, that you have fun. See you at the next TweetMeet.